Until now, you have been watching complete BLS sequence for one rescuer. Now we shall take a look at complete BLS sequence for two rescuer. In two rescuer CPR, a specific role is allotted for each rescuer. Rescuer 1 should be beside the victim and rescuer 2 should be positioned at the victim's head end. The rescuer 1 role would be to perform chest compressions, counting out loud and giving chest compressions in the right technique.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The rescuer 2 role would be to maintain an open airway and give breaths with bag and mask and should simultaneously watch for adequate chest rise, avoiding excessive ventilation.
1 and 2.
Rescuer 2 would also encourage rescuer 1 to perform chest compressions which are fast, deep and allowing complete chest recoil between the compressions.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You're doing a good
6,
job.
7, 8,
Push
9,
hard,
10,
push fast.
11, 12, 13,
Press down
14,
at least
15,
5
16,
centimeters,
17, 18,
but not
19,
more than
20,
6
21,
centimeters.
22, 23, 24,
Allow
25,
complete
26,
chest recoil.
27, 28, 29, 30.
Providing high quality chest compressions requires a lot of energy and results in exhaustion. So, in a two-person rescue scenario, rescuer should switch roles after every 2 minutes. When you are using an AED, after attaching the chest leads, the machine analyzes the rhythm over few seconds and this is the time when you can switch roles.
AED is analyzing rhythm. Let's switch positions.
Stay clear of patient.
If AED is not available, one can switch roles after every 5 cycles of CPR. So let's review some key important points. First rescuer positioned by the side of the victim should perform chest compressions and should count out loud and clear. The second rescuer positioned at the head end should maintain an open airway and give 2 breaths after every 30 compressions. Rescuer 2 should also monitor chest compressions and make sure that rescuer 1 is performing correct chest compressions. Making sure that rescuer 1 is pushing fast, hard and allowing complete chest recoil without any interruptions. If the chest compressions are inadequate, then rescuer 2 should suggest corrections to rescuer 1 accordingly. Compression rate for 2 rescuer CPR is 100 to 120 per minute. The compression to ventilation ratio for adults is 30:2 even for 2 rescuer CPR. Compressions should be paused when giving ventilations. However, if an advanced airway is in place, for example an ET tube, then there is no need of pause. When performing CPR with an AED, one should switch roles every time the AED tells you to reanalyze the rhythm. When performing CPR without an AED, one should switch roles after every 5 cycles to prevent fatigue. The switch time should take less than 5 seconds to minimize the hands-off time.
Coming through. Scene is safe. Hey, are you listening to me? He's not responding. There's no circumstantial evidence of drug abuse or poisoning. Somebody activate the emergency response system and get an AED. He's not breathing. There's no pulse. Start CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
I'm
6,
here to
7,
assist you.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
AED is analyzing rhythm. Let's switch positions.
Stay clear of patient. Deliver shock now.
Stay back.
Shock delivered.
Shock delivered. Resume CPR.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You're doing a good
6,
job.
7, 8,
Push
9,
hard,
10,
push fast.
11, 12,
Press
13,
down
14,
at least
15,
5
16,
centimeters,
17, 18,
but not
19,
more than
20,
6
21,
centimeters.
22, 23, 24,
Allow
25,
complete
26,
chest recoil.
27, 28, 29, 30.
1 and 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Push
7,
at a
8,
rate of
9,
100
10,
to
11,
120
12,
per
13,
minute.
14, 15, 16,
You're doing a
17,
good job.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
1 and 2. AED is analyzing rhythm. Let's switch positions.
AED has advised shock. Stay back. Shock delivered. Resume CPR.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
1, 2,